I'm Richard Brunel, and I'm the head of English at Arts Ed. I teach both in the day school and in the sixth form. At A-level, we at Arts Ed follow the AQA Literature A syllabus, which is a 2-year A-level course. Students are assessed in 2 terminal examinations, which constitute 80% of their final grade. Students also complete a single piece of comparative coursework, which makes up the remainder of their final grade. The coursework, or NEA, is entitled Texts Across Time, and the 2 examined modules are called Love Through the Ages and Modern Times. And students interested in sociology, politics and history tend to be very excited as we wade through literature from that moment of social change right up until the present day. The course is popular and dynamic, but relaxed. I wish Year 11 students all the best of luck in their upcoming exams and look forward to meeting them in September.